I've been creating entire AI-generated series scenes just like this one,
Take the cart. I'll hold them.
On it. Plotting the fix now.
and I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few clicks using a very simple tool. The link is in the description at YB.Digital Law School, and we're going to use the Advanced Movie Maker tool here in project mode. So here's my project. It's a story about a lion who manages business problems. Everything was generated by artificial intelligence. I simply entered a prompt saying I wanted a lion CEO who solves business problems, and it generated the content and text for 5 full episodes. The different scenes, the different characters, the different locations, all of it. The detail about where each scene takes place, the tone, the visual style, the keywords to use, the color palette, the lighting, the different themes used throughout, the rules of the fictional world, the timeline of the story, the style guide, the pacing, the sound details, the music details, and all the different episode ideas. And of course, I can change literally everything, adapt it exactly to what I want, add episode ideas, do whatever I like. You can genuinely create your own web series this way, or not just a web series, your own full series. If you take a look at their studio, there's a huge amount of content that's already been created with this tool. All kinds of videos. There are even entire series available. If you click on the little TV icon, you can browse series that have been created by AI using this tool. And you can make your own from nothing, from a single prompt. Now let's look at how to create the next episode. I've already produced the first scene of the first sequence of the first episode of the first season of this series. And now we're going to see together how to simply create one more scene. All I have to do here is go to the scene list that's already been created, click on the scene I want to open, and work from there. Obviously, at this stage, there's nothing in it yet, so we need to add the details. You can change the emotional state of each character in the scene, describe everything that's happening, where we are, who's in it. After having tried this before, I know what needs to be done. Let's start by generating the dialogue. We have the idea of what happens in this scene, so now we click Generate Dialogue. We wait a few seconds and it generates the complete dialogue for the entire scene. Again, you can generate anything you want. So here we go. First Mira says something, then the Lion King says something else, and so on for each part of the scene. Then I have the list of shots that will make up this scene. Same thing, I simply click Generate Shot List, wait a few seconds, and it generates everything from start to finish. Really very simple. Now let me quickly open the character details in another tab, because I know from experience that what I'll need to revisit is the different characters I've created. When I open the character details, I can see that for each scene, I'll need to manually add each character's specific description to make sure it's the same character appearing consistently from scene to scene. This is actually one of the issues I've run into. When you generate content without restating the exact details, sometimes between two scenes, you get things that look completely different. So going through the shot list and making sure every time a character is mentioned, their full description is included. That's what I need to do now. For example, Mira is a sleek silver fox with geometric glasses. So every time Mira appears in a shot, I add that description. Let me go through and find every mention of Mira in the scene. There she is, I add the detail, and I do the same for every character in every shot. Yes, it's a little bit tedious, but that's just the reality of these tools. As with all AI tools, if you just let it run without supervision, you'll get an average result. And it's always the same. If you want something truly good, if you want quality, you need to review everything in detail. The tool does a huge amount for you, but it doesn't do everything, and it can never fully replace your vision, because everything starts from what you want to create and nobody can guess that for you. There's always a part you have to do yourself. So I go through carefully. Mira, then the next character. Do we have Bram? Yes, Bram's there. And then King Leo, a muscular golden lion with amber eyes. I add that description everywhere Leo is mentioned. This is especially important because these are completely fictional characters. If I generate without the descriptions, some scenes will produce humanoid characters when I actually have an imaginary lion. So it really matters to get this right. And the last character who sometimes appears is Tala, a powerful AG bull. I add that description wherever Tala is mentioned too. So this is really just for consistency, but of course, if you want to make something professional, you need to review everything in the greatest detail. But once you've done that, everything will go smoothly. Alright, now I have the detail for all 6 parts of this scene, and 6 shots. I could create the storyboard now, but I'm going to skip that step and go straight to generating the videos. I can choose the quality, fast, standard or premium. I can choose the resolution, 720 or 480, and the aspect ratio, 16.9, 9:16 or 1:1. I want 9:16 to match what I already generated previously. If we go back and look at what was generated before, you can see it's portrait format, vertical, not horizontal. I'm not making a cinematic film here, I'm making shorts. So this will be a short I can publish on YouTube. All I have to do now is click produce missing shots, and there we go. It's going to produce the missing shots one by one. Ideally, you should go through the storyboard step first, but I'm skipping past that here. You do, of course, need credits to generate all of this. In my case, I should have enough to cover it. And we'll see the different shots of our AI-generated animated series produced from a single prompt, being created one after another, very simply. Then all we'll need to do is click produce to assemble all the videos of this scene into one complete scene made up of those 6 different parts. Part 1, an interior with Mira looking at a console. Part 2, a character looking at a monitor. And here they come, the shots arriving one by one. You can watch each one, regenerate any that you're not happy with, change anything before clicking produce. Let's watch the first shot together. Here it is, an interior scene. And there we go. The different parts are being generated one after another. As you can see, it takes just a few seconds each. I'm in fast generation mode here. If you're doing something more complex or choosing a higher quality, it'll obviously take a little longer. And there we have it. All 6 parts created. 6 parts of our video series scene. Generated automatically with a single click by artificial intelligence. Now, all we have to do is go to the Produce tab. And actually, if we go back to the storyboard, it generated itself automatically when we clicked to produce the videos. That step happened on its own. You can, of course, regenerate all the images if you want. And now, all that's left to create our complete scene is to click Assemble Final Scene. We have our 6 validated videos, and if any of them don't work for you, you go back and change your scenes before assembling. And just like that, it's assembled, it's ready. I'll play the video now, and I invite you to click the link in the description and the link on screen, YB.Digital Chocha School. Let's watch it full screen. 30 seconds of video generated automatically by artificial intelligence.
Mira, the docs are chaos. Throughput's at 0.
Make it heroic.
Audit trail confirms it, Your Majesty.
Impossible. My access is absolute.
Look, stale approvals, duplicates.
And that Amber exception.
Leo, the numbers don't add up.
What is it, Mira?
The wage ledger. Your efficiency is theft.
Show me.
The data is conclusive, sir. We must intervene.
I see. Then we have no choice. This isn't a glitch. It's sabotage. A trap act.
Agreed. Let's move.